Leo, welcome to your reading. This is your next week in love and career. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you're watching this is going to resonate with your situation. Please keep in mind that these are general readings, so only take what resonates, leave the rest behind. We will start with your love life, then we will move forward with your career. Let's see what's happening in your love life the next week for Leo. Okay, so we have another fire sign, that's Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You no longer feel the spark with your person, that's what I'm hearing. And fire sign and earth sign never go well with each other. A Taurus, you could be dealing with a Taurus. And there is a pause in your connection. There are a lot of fights. Pause, a push and pull energy between the dynamics, and both of you are not happy with this though. Both of you are really sad, both of you are feeling lonely. Loneliness is the word, and you're not happy with your love life. That's what I'm hearing. The next week you could miss this person. Your inner self really misses the memories, the bond, the time that the two of you have shared. But then there is a push and pull energy. One time you feel like you miss this person, the next you feel like you don't want this person in your life. Okay, so you could be really processing your breakup or the reality of this connection the next week. That's what I'm hearing. Things are not going how you expected them to be, and that's why you're just processing the emotions. Maybe you were not looking at the whole picture, the whole truth, the whole reality of the situation in the past. But now the universe is really forcing you to see the reality and face your inner demons, face your innermost emotions so that you can heal them and let go of them. You are healing, that's what I'm hearing. You're healing from the relationship that you feel is no longer happening, so that you get the whole picture, so that you get the whole clarity of what's actually happening. But there is a major pause in this situation, or there was a pause. Now the universe is gonna really push you into the loneliness so that you look deep inside of yourself, so that you process your innermost emotions, so that you can heal and get the clarity over this person and situation. Because I think you've been delaying the healing since a really long time. You could have been focused on other things, you could be focused on life, but you were not giving the priority to your emotions that you must have or should have given. Yeah, and that's why you've created a karmic loop around you, Leo. You've created a karmic loop where you distract yourself from this person, but then after a few months or a few weeks, you again go back in the same loop and you think about this person. So there was this push and pull, there was this cycle that you were stuck in, but the universe is saying enough and enough is enough. Now you need to really sit down with yourself, process your emotions, and then give us the clarity on what you really want out of this situation. I think you have the free will. It's not happening out of your control, but then your spirit team, your spirit guides are really encouraging you to just sit with yourself and process some emotions, because this is going to play out a major role in the upcoming time. This is a divine timing in your love life. Yeah, and once you do so, things will move fast in your love life. Once you do so, things will finally start changing. So if there was any recurring cycle in your love life, if the same things were happening with the same person or with different people in the same body, with the different bodies in the same person, if you were dealing with the same type of person, if you were dealing with like the same person in different bodies again and again, if you were dealing with the same person, you were not able to move on from them, if you're just like recurring the same habits, same person, same toxicity, and everything was just happening just the same how it used to be in the past, then you're finally moving on from this cycle. You're putting a pause on this cycle, you're ending this dynamic, and this time the universe will force you and encourage you to act different so that you attract different things in life. So you're no longer going to repeat the cycle, you're breaking free from the cycle, Leo. Now let's see what's happening in career. Only watch this if you guys are financially independent. If you guys are students, then I'll mention that in between. But if you're not, like if you're not earning, if you are students, then this most probably is not going to be for you. But let's see if I get any messages for the students as well next week for Leo in their career. Next week also the universe is going to show you something regarding your career and the plans that they have. So this can be a inspiration that you get. You're starting fresh, you're gonna feel really passionate about your career, you're planning, you're plotting, you're also not just planning but working towards your goals as well. There is stability, money, finances, everything is going really well in your career next week. You're building something stable, you're focused on building something long term. Somewhere down the line you just have this clarity or an intuitive knowing that upcoming few years are going to be really stable in your finances. Upcoming few years are really going to be something to not worry about when it comes to your finances and career. So even though you're doing good right now, but you just have this inner knowing or intuition or this confirmation from the spirit that upcoming few months and weeks are going to be really amazing in your career, so you're not so much worried about your career, right? Apart from that, you're really enjoying working, you're passionate, you're doing the work, you're not just planning but you're also working, you're not procrastinating, you have a lot of energy, you have a lot of passion to wake up and go to the work. So it's amazing. Next week in work is looking amazing, Leo. Exactly, Ace of Wands, but you're also saving up a lot of money, or you're advised here to save a lot of money. Do not overspend. Look at your spending habits. Only spend in necessary stuff. You could be dealing with your child, you could be giving them something, or if you are a mother, if you're not, then I feel like you're just pampering your inner child, or there is a pet, there is a smaller, younger person in your family that you're gonna pamper, you're gonna give something to them. And you're finally happy, like you're satisfied with where you are. That's the best thing that could happen to anyone. You're not thinking about what can happen 10 years later. You already have that intuitive knowing that things are gonna go well, but then you're satisfied in the now. You're satisfied waking up, going to the work, coming back home. And when you're coming back home also, you're really satisfied, you're really happy. So to come home to the people who are living with you. So I feel like you're really finally stepping out of your emotionally burdensome cycle, and you're stepping into satisfaction and happiness within yourself, right? So that's pretty much what I have for you. Do let me know if it resonated in the comment section below. You can book the personal reading from the link in the description box below. Do hit that subscribe button. Sending you love and light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Sending love.